These are the internals of a Subaru rotary vane compressor. Here, the movements and operation of the vanes can be clearly seen. The vanes are flung outwards via centrifugal force, forming a seal against the stator and sides with oil that flows throughout the system. It's an open-type configuration where the rotor is turned via a belt connected to the engine crank pulley. Too low of an RPM and the vanes rebound off the stator and sides or just don't extend outwards far enough to create a sealed chamber. Upon reaching operating RPMs, the vanes attain sufficient momentum to keep them fully extended. Progressive volumetric increase of the chamber with vane movements sealing against them create a low pressure zone for refrigerant intake. Similarly, as chamber volume decreases, a high pressure zone is created for refrigerant ejection into the condenser. The vanes are not spring-loaded. As mentioned before, they depend on RPM and momentum for operations.